Welcome to Beatty, Nevada at the Silver State Gun Club. We have here a long range. Looks like it might go up maybe perhaps 1,000 yards, maybe a little further. That's a long ways, holy cow. Maybe I'll do a little research and find out when this place was shut down. Looked like it's too long. That Quonset shed over there doesn't look like it's in too bad a shape. Certainly appears as if people are still using this. Oh wow, look at this shooting table. That's 5/8 plate. Hey buddy. Oh, we got brass. Haha, shiny. I can't resist. Coincidentally, I was moving some of my stuff around in my garage, and I've got so much brass I will probably never be able to load it all in my lifetime. I just can't. I can't walk by it without picking it up. It doesn't appear as if these are bolted down. That one's only 1/2-inch plate. If I can get that on the roof of the Jeep. Oh, I've got them trained up right. Huh? These are steel. These copper ones.
I found some.
Steel copper washed.
Yeah.
Yeah. They hot, honey? Yeah. Oh, you find all sorts of shiny. You're an excellent shiny hunter in this town. I'm surprised you didn't know that. Need to use the facilities. It's a hell of a spot for a shedder. I'll pass. Thank you, sweetie.
There's a couple over there.
Okay. Handguns only. No rifles in this one. Wow, this is a really nice range. Wonder why they couldn't make a go of it. You think it could be because it's Southern Nevada and BLM owns 95% of the state, and you can just literally just about go anywhere and shoot to your heart's content instead of paying a membership fee. And let's face it, I mean, Beatty's a nice little town to visit, but I'm not so sure I'd want to live here. Ooh, those are brass shot shells. Would you look at the 12 gauge brass? And that's a live one. Ooh. Those are nice. Scores! Right next to the pistol range. Looks like 100-yard pistol and rifle range. Nice high berms, like 20-foot tall berms. And another one of these big ass steel shooting benches. And nice. That thing's hotter than blazes. Holy. It's chained to the tables, that's why it's still here. Like I said, people still come here and use this, obviously. Yeah, if I lived in Beatty, I'd come out here and use it, for sure. The trap and skeet range is across the street. Let's go over there next. What a view. There's the airport over there. That's a functioning municipal airport. Pistol rifle, pistol only, long range rifle, office, trap. and skeet. Now I got my fat ass up here. The trick is going to be getting my fat ass back down off this thing. I will tell you that the rungs on that ladder are spaced a little bit too far apart, so I need to find a place to shove this camera and then I get back down. Over yonder is the municipal airport for Beatty Airport. You got the now non-operational Silver State Gun Club, and then over there is the tailings pile and waste rock pile, and that looks like a leach basin for the open pit mine works just outside Rhyolite. And Rhyolite is on the other side of that latticed open pit mine. Just on the other side of that hill is Rhyolite. And Rhyolite is a ghost town about 4 miles from Beatty. I keep saying Beatty. I think it's pronounced Beatty, but it's not important. I call it Beatty. Beatty, Beatty, potato, potato. Let's call the whole thing off. Rhyolite is a ghost town that peaked in about 1910. I talked about this before, and we'll go up there in a minute. I need to get off this now. I still got it.
Daddy, can you say something to Dad? Subscribe to my dad's channel and leave a like.
Thank you, sweetie.
You're welcome.
Do you think they should share too?
Yeah.
Ain't she cute? Oh! Bang! So let me see if I remember how this is done, because it's only been about 25 or 30 years since I was part of a gun club. So I'm standing on a station, and there's 3 more in a semicircle and then 1 in the center. And that tower, you see where that black thing is? That's where the birds come flying out. And you got 1 high and you got 1 low, and they cross. So this is meant to simulate grouse hunting or pheasant hunting, where you have birds flushing, and they'll flush high or they'll flush down low. I don't remember exactly how this works, but you work your way from one station. You get 2 shots, 2 birds, and you score hits and you don't score misses, and you work your way through these stations and eventually end up over there in the middle. And whoever has the highest score wins. I'm probably wrong, and I'm sure somebody will correct me, but whether or not I'm right or wrong, it's a hell of a lot of fun. You should try it sometime. And then over there, the birds just go flying out randomly. Okay, I think we've seen enough here. Let's go up to Rhyolite. Okay?